What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. How to add text behind objects in Premiere Pro. Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add text behind objects in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's start by opening Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your video file. To do that, go to the media browser and locate your video. Right-click on the video and select Import, or drag the file directly into the project panel. Drag your video from the project panel to the timeline. Make sure the video is selected in the timeline for further editing. As you can see, I have mine already imported. Open your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. Locate the video clip in your timeline. Add the text you want to add on your video by clicking this text tool over here. Now click the clip on your timeline. Hold Alt on your keyboard and drag it to the top of the text. Now make sure that the top of the video is selected. Navigate to the effect controls on the left side of your screen. Under opacity, select this pen tool over here. Highlight your object, and we are done masking your subject. And as you can see, your text is now behind your subject. Since the subject is moving, we need to track it. To do that, select the top video layer again and navigate to effect controls. Click on the mask path over here and hit the play button to track the movements. And there, you have successfully added text behind an object in Premiere Pro, creating a stylish effect that enhances your video content. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.